In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix your Eufy HomeBase that is not connecting. To fix this problem, start with basic restores of the HomeBase and the router. You can also check the power or the Ethernet cables and ensure that your phone is on the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and if needed, you can factory reset the HomeBase and reconfigure the Wi-Fi settings. Now let's discuss how to do them. Do these basic checks and restarts. Use the correct power adapter and ensure that the Ethernet cable is securely plugged in. And unplug your home base and router for about 30 seconds and then plug them back in. Now, for the Wi-Fi configuration. Connect the home base to your router via Ethernet for the first setup. So inside the Eufy Security app, go to Devices and select Home Base and select General Connection and tap on the Wi-Fi setup. Select your 2.4 GHz network and ensure that the SSID isn't hidden and the security is set to WPA or WPA2. For advanced troubleshooting, you can do factory reset or head to the router settings. And that's how you can fix Eufy HomeBase that is not connecting, and thank you for listening.